Welcome to this short video about applications in Hysolate. After you install Hysolate, there will be two environments on your computer. There will be the original or primary environment, and there will be the new Hysolate environment with the fancy purple Hysolate desktop. All of your existing applications will still be installed and available in your primary environment, but none of these applications will be available in Hysolate. Instead, Hysolate has its own set of applications. Your Hysolate admin chose a set of mandatory applications for you. These mandatory applications will always be available to you in Hysolate. Your Hysolate administrator may have also created a set of optional applications for you. You can choose which of the optional applications to install in Hysolate. Thereafter, all your mandatory applications and your optional applications will be available in Hysolate. To install an optional application, open the Hysolate control panel and then show the Applications page. Applications that are already installed are marked with a green circle. Applications without any color markings are available to be installed. Locate and then click the application that you want to install, and then click Install. Hysolate will then download and install the application. You may be required to reset Hysolate in order to complete the installation, but you'll be notified if a reset is required. You should know that if you install any applications yourself without using the Hysolate control panel, then when you reset Hysolate or restart your computer, these applications may no longer be available. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch some of the other Hysolate introductory videos